Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about Breezy HR and how you can use Breezy HR. So obviously we got something special over here, and whether you're a small business owner or you just starting for your HR journey, this tutorial will help you out and will set you on the right path. So grab your notepads and let's jump right in. So as you can see on your screen, we are looking at Breezy HR interface, and what you need to do, just click on get started for free on your screen as you can see over here, or you can just click on start my free trial. Once you click on that, it would take you right over here, and this is where you are going to enter your full name, your company email, your company website, number of employees, and obviously your password. And remember, these are requirement and you have to fill all of them, your company email and your company website. So just remember that. Otherwise, it won't get started. It won't be able to, create your account. So after you fill all of this, just click on get started for free. After that, it would take you right over here, and here you will see that check your email to verify your email address and complete your sign up. So this is the last step to complete your account sign up. Just go to your email anywhere like Gmail or Yahoo, any email you are using, and go there and verify your account. Once you do that, it will redirect you to over here. This is the home page which will you see once you log into your account. And as you can see over here, we have some few options over on the right away on your screen, like add a position, invite your team, and we will talk about these later. But on the left side, we have so much options also, like home, inbox, task, calendar, and reports, and talents, and positions and candidates. As the name suggests, obviously, if you want to assign tasks, you can go ahead and do that from over here. If you want to send someone a message, you can just go over here and click on inbox. But right now, we are just going to click on over here, and this one is notification, by the way. And right beside notification, you can see we have settings. If you click on this, you will see some few more drop down menu options, and here you have user settings, you have company settings. So this user setting is for your own, and this one is for your company. So each settings are different, and obviously it should be different, and I think this is one of the great things that Breezy HR provides you. So what you need to do, you just need to click on user settings. So let's go user settings and let's check it out first of all. So once you click on that, you will end up over here. These are some things which you need to fill on, and these are very normal things which you obviously know about it. So in general option, you will see that your company name, you just need to enter that. You have a single sign on required employees to sign in with your company's SSO system. So you can go with the Google Apps and other Okta, One Login. And we have employee auto join. If you want to disable it, you can also do that. If you want to enable it, you can also do that. And once you enable this, you can just share this URL to them also. If they want to join, they can join through this link also. So these are very normal things which you can do once you are over here, once you created your account. And after that, we have users. So like I said before, we will talk about inviting members or people. So you can also invite from over here. So as you can see, you can manage the team who's involved in the hiring effort at this company. And after that, we have invite members. Just click on that and start inviting them. And we have members obviously with one already over here, which is us. So that's why it's showing this over here. And on the right side, you can see this is admin. And after that, we have permission, company roles. If you want to assign company roles already, you can also do that. Just click on over the right side. You can also do that. Position roles, you can also click on the right side. As you can see, add positions role. You can just click on that. You can add position role right away. Next thing, we have teams. So here we have teams. As you can see, just add team over here. If you want to, just click on add team, and you can easily manage your team from over here. And lastly, we have billing information, and you can just come over here, just enter your billing information over here. If you have subscriptions, you can also do that. And these are some basic things which you can do in user settings. After that, once you come back to your home page, you can see interested in a quick live demo. Just click over here for your career site setup. You can also go ahead and do that. But for now, we are going to click on add positions. Once you click on add position, it would take you right over here, and this is the place where you are going to work so much. In my opinion, as a beginner, once you create your account on Breezyhr, you will end up over here very usually. So here you can define your position details. The first option is this one, right? Add the important details about your role, such as important position title, type, department, and location. So from here, you can easily enter your position title, department, and even internal ID. If you want to assign that, you can also do that from over here. We have location, we have remote and telecommute. If you want to enable that, you can just check mark this one. And we have the details about position. So position type, category, education, and experience. So you get the idea of what you need to fill, and these are very normal fields which you can easily fill in. The next thing we have, if you scroll down, you will see your tags. If you add tags to your position, so if someone's doing a designing, you can add a tag accordingly. So design. So what happens now, if you search through design, all the designers will appear. So you get the idea what tags are all about. So you can organize that, right? We have other information about use this section to store sensitive information. It will only be visible to hiring managers on this position. So you can add information through that. After that, just click on next step. We have the next step about position description. So position description is very easy to understand, like what is this all about. So you can enter, so let's just say design again. And if you open this one, you can see we have a lot of position job description, which you can choose the title from, and you can add job descriptions also. So you can also choose the title accordingly. And after that, just click on next step. Next step is application form. So application form is one of the best thing out there, in my opinion. So you can choose how candidates can apply to your position. So you can enable it, accept application from your public career site, and enable third-party jobs. If you want to get position applied from there, you can also do that. We have internal only, we have unlisted, or you can disable it if you want. We have application form below. We have a lot of questionnaire or like questions over here, like name and email address and phone number, which are necessary when applying to the job. And after that, we have available questionnaires. Like I told you before, you can add a questionnaire from through here. Just click on this one and you can add it right away. After that, we have pipeline. So you can choose a pipeline to use this with this position. So you can choose a pipeline from over here. And we have pipeline stages, like you can customize automated stages, actions for this type pipeline. So you can apply it, feedback, interviewing, made offer. So these are very normal things which HR usually does. After that, just click on next step. We have candidate scoring. You can also add candidate scoring if you want. We have advertise. Oh, by the way, we can add scorecard through this like this. If you click on this one, you can end up over here. So this is how you can add that. After that, we have advertisement. So if you want to advertise through different links, like over here, LinkedIn, we have Indeed sponsored, we have Dribble, we have work and travel jobs, and there are more out there, by the way. And the one is very standard. If you scroll up, you will see the standard advertising. It is all about once approved, your position will be appeared on Indeed, Glassdoor, Google Jobs, Way Up, Job Rapido, Zip Recruiter, and many more within 24 hours. So you can also go with this free plan. And after that, once you decide your advertisement platform, just click on next. And after that, you can enter your hiring team. Choose your your user or team, or you can choose a role. You can start adding from over here. And this is the setting of position. And once you're done with this, you can just come back to home screen and you can start assigning, those tasks which I was talking about at earlier this video. So once you click on this or this icon or this icon, and once you try to assign someone like from over here, just make sure to mention from over here, like assign to myself or assign to someone else. You can choose either one of them. And after that, just click on this plus icon. It will pop up something like this. And the task name, description, if you want to attach a file, you can do that. Due date, who should this task to be created for? You can enter your name over here or someone you are going to task it to someone else, right? Just click on create task. After that, it would something like this. And later on, we have more options like talent search. Like I said this before, if you made tags like design, you can just search design from over here, and all the designers would appear to you. We have position posts, and the last one which we have is candidates. So you get the idea what it is all about. Breezy HR is one of the best out there, and I think you have understand all the things which I have mentioned to you. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.